Do you know the rules of the road? Ignoring them can lead to severe consequences. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Today we're going to focus on intersection crossings. This task is not too difficult, but is important for both experienced drivers and beginners. However, pay close attention. Almost 60% of viewers get this wrong, so be mindful as we dive in. Here's the scenario. A red car approaches a T intersection to turn left. The driver looks right and confidently turns left. At that moment, a truck crashes into the red car. Who is at fault? Your options are 1. The truck, 2. The red car, 3. Both pause the video, think it over, and then we'll analyze it together. At a T intersection, you need to be extra careful, especially if there are uphill or downhill slopes to the left or right. These conditions can hide approaching vehicles. I've had a similar experience. I checked both left and right before turning left, but a car came fast from behind a hill on the left. I was scared but managed to avoid the accident by completing the maneuver quickly. It's one of those moments when life flashes before your eyes. In this situation, the red car driver is at fault. The driver failed to ensure the maneuver's safety by not properly checking left, right, and left again before turning. Traffic rules require that when approaching an intersection, you check all directions to avoid unexpected obstacles. The red car's driver was too focused on the right side and didn't double-check the left, leading to the accident. If the left side had been checked, the crash could have been avoided. So the correct answer is number 2. The red car is at fault. Congratulations to those who selected this. For more tips on safe driving, subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and avoid fines.